Welcome to the Snapped Reporting Overview. We'll show you some of the information that you can get from the ongoing operation of your Snapped instance. We'll start by navigating to the report's dashboard. Here, first you'll find a range of system-related reports, which will always be available, followed by the reports per plugin of all modules, all depending on which are enabled and configured within your instance. We'll start by running the activity log based on date. Here you'll see the last range of events, in our case, primarily around the automated updating of the failed to ban blacklist. Next we'll run the CPU usage report. This shows the relative percentages in the report for average and maximum usage in addition to a graph based on averages. This can be refined by clicking on a particular date, followed by a particular hour, and you can see now the CPU usages in as close as 5-minute intervals. Going back to the report's dashboard again, the memory usage reports provide similar information to the CPU usage report, also with averages and maximum usages, whereas the last notices report shows incidents such as web servers going down and coming back up, as shown on the report. Back to the report's dashboard. Next, we're going to run the proxy throughput report. You can see various statistics per group. If you click on a group name, you can see the statistics refined between backend and frontend servers. Clicking on either of these, and you can then present the statistics by days. Back on the report's dashboard. Next, we'll run the connections report under the acceleration section. Here it will show the sum and average of connections over each day. Clicking on a day will again narrow it down to each hour within that day, followed by the connections spread across 5-minute intervals. Lastly, going back to the report's dashboard once more, we will now run the WAF block report. Here we've simulated an attack which was blocked on our demo domain, which can again be narrowed down by clicking on the domain name, clicking on a date, clicking on a particular hour, and then seeing exactly when this block occurred. Now that we've gone through most of the standard reports available, you can see that Snapped has exceptional reporting capabilities, and all of this available through an API if you wish to pull this data into another system. All of the data provided is based on the logging options configured within each plugin, allowing you to increase the logging interval to as frequently as 1 minute. Just bear in mind that increasing logging intervals will substantially increase the number of items being logged, and may therefore also impose an increased load on your server. Have any questions? Head on over to snap.net or contact support@snap.net.